Fresh, readily available seafood has always been a staple in Japanese cuisine. The delicate cuts of fish need to be treated gently and with respect to reach their maximum flavor. And there is no better way to reach that flavor than to store those goods inside one of our refrigerated display cases. These display cases are designed with sushi in mind. It makes everything easy on the eyes for the customer as well as the user. Built into every unit are the LED panels. At the press of a button, everything that needs to be seen will be illuminated for you and all your guests. Featuring the SF102 controller, you have complete control over the temperature inside the case, including defrosting cycles and ambient air, also known as resting air. And with the simple sliding doors, you can prepare whatever you need the second a customer spots it. Great sushi is the mastery of simplicity, taking one or two key components and letting them shine with precision. At Zanduco, we couldn't agree more.